How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching SYG Tech. Very excited to announce that the iPhone 8 is running the iOS 15. So yes, very excited about this update, as you know. So the size of the update was about 2.5 gigabytes, as you can see here. And I'm very excited because the iOS 15 brings very new cool features, and plus I'm very excited due to the updates for all the devices such as SE, 6S. I already dropped these two videos, so make sure to check it in the descriptions down below, also in the end of today's video. But let me know in the comments down below, are you still have the iPhone 8? Or you updated, you upgraded to iPhone X, XS and so on. I'm very excited about this update due to the all these devices. I'm curious to see how they're gonna perform. So if you have any suggestions, if you wanna do any speed tests between the iPhone 8, let me know in the comments down below. I'm very excited to do that for you, and it's a lot of fun and I enjoy it. So we have a new iOS 15. We have a new interesting features, updates. As you can see, one of my favorite one, like I mentioned 1,000 times probably, it's the weather app. So if you change the location, it shows the real-time animation. What is the weather like? So for example, let's choose for New York, United States, and it shows you the real time in New York. Or let's try Dubai, and it shows you the real time and the weather in Dubai. So you get the point. But yeah, this is one of my interesting cool features. Also, we have a interesting feature in FaceTime when you make a phone calls. The first time I believe Android can join the FaceTime as well. You can make sure that the background, if you do a FaceTime with someone, the background is blurred. You can send links and many more. But let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more cool videos about the iPhone 8. If you have any suggestions, I'm very happy to do that for you guys. And let me know what do you think. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.